Is this so cool? No, I'm gonna do something different. Entirely different. So, I know you're saying cheater because I'm going to use this as a tool to get it sanded faster, but I'm not going to do that. What I'm going to do is I'm going to do like an engine turn, like a little graphic element to make these kind of look neat. Now let's clear one of those back there when we do the paint application. So has anybody in here used spray paint before? Everybody, pretty much? Yeah, okay. Pretty silly question, I'm sure, but...
Tomorrow's graffiti artists today.
Yeah, right.
And they learned it all right here.
Yeah.
Oh.
So,
Can I see yours real quick? So, see how his is, it's the same color and consistency all the way across, and it's got all these little white strands. His is ready to go. That's what it started off as. No, that makes it 20 miles an hour fast. That's what we're after.
and then it gives that engine turn effect.
There you go. That's real nice.
So it's like fire engines would have that on their dashboards and stuff. And sometimes in the out parts of their haulers.
Circles are shiny.
Yeah. And so we'll clear coat that on one side if you want, and then just do some stuff on the other side.